Students, welcome you all. Now we will start the poem. The poem name is The Kite, and the poem is composed by the poet Harry Wen. In the poem, we will know about the kite. Flying kite is a very old activity in many countries. The kites, you know that, come in so many colors, sizes, and shapes. It is a great fun to send a piece of paper so high in the sky on a windy and sunny day. The kite tailor controls its movements with the help of the connecting thread or string. Contests are organized in cities like Lucknow, Ahmedabad. Understand? Contests are organized in these cities, and kite flying is certainly not a child's play. It is tough game for the grown-ups, and it involves risk also. Understand? So come on the poem. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and dip, it snaps its tail and soars like a ship with only a sail. So here you know that in the first stanza of the poem, how bright on the blue. The kite will be bright, shiny in the blue sky. It is a kite when it's new, when it will be new. Understand? When the kite will be new, it will be bright, shiny. With a dip and a dip. With a dive and a dip. The dive and dip. Dive means when it will take dive, plunge, it will plunge towards the earth, and dip, going into the water. Suppose that here the kite is compared to the ship of the water. It snaps its tail. The kite breaks its tail when it goes towards the water, goes towards the earth, and then soars like a ship. And afterward, what had happened? The kite soars. Soars means here, you know that. Here the meaning of the word soars is rises, climbs towards the sky like a ship with only a sail. During the time when ship will on sail, the ship will go forward because of the mast, because of the flow of the wind. Understand? In the same way, it will soars, goes towards the sky because of a wind. In the second stanza, as over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. When a string goes slack, you wind it back. Afterward, in the second stanza, as over tides, in high waves, as over tides of wind it's rides. Understand? Sails on the head of. As over tides, here it means that in high waves, when there will be high wave in the sea, in the same way of wind it rides. So because of high waves, the ship will forward. In the same way, because of waves, because of wind, here you know that as over tides of wind it rides towards the sky, climbs to the crest, and it will climbs to the crest. Here it means that the ship will climbs to the crest. Crest means top, at top in sky, of a gust and pulls. Because of sudden blast of wind, the kite will go towards the sky at top. Of a gust and pulls. When because of sudden blast of wind and pull, when you will pull it by the string, it will go towards the sky at the top. Then seems to rest as wind falls, and you will feel that the kite is in rest mode as wind falls, when wind will be in low motion. When string goes slack, you wind it back. When you get that your string goes slack, loose, you will lose your string, you wind it back. You will try to provide it wind it back by pulling it, and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill, and up it goes. Afterward, we know that, and run until a new breeze blows. And afterward, what will happen? Until there is a fresh gust of wind. Because of the fresh gust of wind, the kite flyer wants for the wind to blow again and fill the sail of the ship like kite to push it further up forward. So here, when a new breeze blows, there is a fresh gust of wind will blow, on that time it wings fill, means that it will the wings of the kite will be alive in active mode, and up it goes, and it will go up towards the sky. How bright on the blue is the kite when it's new? And you will get that the kite will be bright, shiny when it will be new, but a razor thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. But a razor, here you are getting razor things. Razor means here you are getting more shabby looking, rough. There will be more rough thing. What will be the more rough thing here? You will never see when it flaps. When it flaps means moves its wings. When the kite moves its wing on a string in the top of a tree. When you will get the kite on the top of the tree, it will be the worst condition, the bad condition. Razor means here, razor means shabby looking, rough thing when it will be on top of the tree. So I think that you have understood the poem. Thanks for watching the video, and you have to write the word meaning, difficult word meaning first. Understand? So here you will get the word meaning, and you have to write the word meaning from the chapter. Thanks for watching video.